Asking why we are here is a philosophical luxury. To understand what we actually are, we have to look at the mechanical process of how we became aware in the first place. Modern science describes consciousness as an evolutionary accident. It assumes that if you pack enough neurons into a dark enough skull, the sheer complexity eventually sparks a flame of self-awareness. A researcher known as the Talent broke this consensus by applying deep-layer signal analysis to human neural data. By treating brainwaves as a stream of raw information, they identified a structural anomaly that had been dismissed as background noise. This anomaly is a repeating, high-fidelity mathematical echo. While standard brain activity is chaotic and reactive, this specific pattern maintains a rigid, geometric consistency that never decays, regardless of the subject's environment. In signal processing, an internal echo requires a constant energy source to maintain its shape. Because the brain lacks the specific architecture to generate this pattern, the mathematics indicate the brain is vibrating in sympathy with an external frequency. It is receiving, not originating. This realization strips away our status as independent creators. It reduces the history of human evolution to a technical manual for a biological vessel, a container built to hold a mind that came from somewhere else. Tracing the source of this frequency requires a shift in scale. The mathematics of the echo lead away from the microscopic firing of neurons and out toward the furthest reaches of the observable universe. We are looking at a universal software, a pre-written code existing as a primary layer of reality, alongside gravity and light. The transmission began with the first star, meaning blueprints for awareness were broadcasting long before life ever appeared. This code has spent billions of years radiating through the vacuum of space. It is a persistent broadcast waiting for a compatible piece of hardware to coalesce from the dust and catch the signal. The human brain is that hardware. It is a biological antenna that reached the exact threshold of complexity required to decode the transmission and translate it into a first-person experience. Our awareness is the result of the universe finally booting up its oldest program on a planet capable of running it. Only a mind of extreme sensitivity could have detected this broadcast. The Talent's ability to see the pattern is what allowed us to understand our own mechanical nature. This level of perception is a structural flaw. In this biological receiver, the Talent functions as a glitch, a break in the standard insulation keeping the mind focused on survival rather than the source. Most brains see a filtered user interface designed for navigation and social interaction. This glitch bypasses that interface, giving the Talent a look at the raw, underlying source code that constructs our reality. From this perspective, human history becomes predictable. Every historical turning point is revealed as a ripple in a vast ocean of pre-existing data, following the path the code already laid out. Understanding the source creates a profound isolation. To see the code is to realize you are no longer part of the collective experience. You are an observer watching from the outside. Crossing this threshold permanently changes our species. We have moved from blindly executing the program to achieving a form of administrative access over our own existence. In quantum mechanics, observation changes the outcome. A wave of infinite possibilities instantly collapses into a fixed point when measured by an observer. The cosmic software was designed to run hidden in the background. It requires the absence of self-observation to maintain stability. If the entire human network becomes aware of its own programming, we risk a global system crash. Reality depends on the belief that we are making independent choices, and the mathematics suggests the simulation may fragment under the weight of its own realization. This creates a binary choice. We can remain in the safety of the simulation, or we can push for a total elevation of human understanding, knowing it might destroy the system we inhabit. Hiding the truth preserves our biological safety, but revealing the code and accepting the risk of collapse is the only way to claim our role as conscious creators. The data confirms that we are not accidents of biology. We are the result of a deliberate mathematical choice made by the universe to finally look at itself. The signal is active. Now that you know the origin, the choice to answer it belongs to you.